We've been using Square for about a year and a half, 2 years. We have a mobile food truck. It's called J. Harvey's Grill. And we never had an issue with Square, but about 2.5 weeks ago, we did an event on November the 16th and 17th. And we took a few credit card payments, not many, maybe 10 or 15 credit card payments. And half of those payments had to be done offline because we couldn't get a connection. But we've done offline payments before and never had an issue. But here, a few days ago, which is about 2.5 weeks later after the event, I got an email. Well, I got 4 emails from Square saying that the payment has failed. Let me show you what the email looks like. If you look right here, this is my email account, info@jharveysgrill.com. at gmail.com. But this is my email. But these are what I got. I got 4 of them. And if you click on one of them, it says the payment has failed because this payment was taken offline, or either maybe once it got back online, the person that used the credit card didn't have no money, or maybe it was a fake credit card. I don't know. But I was just wondering why it took them 2.5 weeks to send me this email, because it came back online because they processed all the other payments, but these 4 payments didn't process, or they declined. And it was a total of about $50. And I did call Square and asked them what the problem was and why it took them 2.5 weeks to send me the information via email. And the number for Square is 855-700-6000. And once you dial it, it'll give you a customer code. You got to give them that customer code number. And the operator was really nice. She helped me and she walked me through and apologized for why it took so long, and they're going to do an investigation and see, because she said it usually take maybe 2 or 3 days. It shouldn't be 2.5 weeks. But one thing me and my wife discussed, hey, whenever we have issues with Square offline, we're going to either say, hey, the machine is not working, or that we're gonna go into our settings in Square and change that limit, decrease that limit. So if you log on to Square, you can go to settings, and under settings, you can go to offline. You could turn it on. As you can see, our per transaction is $100. So we probably change that maybe to $20 or $10. You just go in and change it to the amount you want, and that's it. So anything over $20, it won't accept. It won't let it go through. So that's another option you could do. Like I said, you could go offline and you could change it to whatever you want. We'll go with say $25, and that's it, and click off of it. 25. So let's look at our offline mode. As you can see, it's $25. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. And also, you can look in the description. I have some links to my Amazon affiliate account at